Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Pamela, and I make content on all different things, including horticulture, hair, bags of my life. So if you're interested, don't forget to subscribe. But on today's video, I'm doing something big. I'm doing a huge plant haul featuring these beauties behind me. And if you stay tuned to somewhere in the video, maybe mid, maybe to the end, I am announcing a big surprise. So I know you don't want to miss that. So if you're interested in seeing the things I picked up and what my big announcement is, then keep on watching. Alright, so as you can see, little cat ears right here. I'm gonna start off with the first plant that I picked up yesterday, but I guess I'm gonna tell you a little bit of a backstory. I went to over 6 plant shops yesterday because for many reasons. I'm celebrating so many things that happened, so many amazing things that happened to me this month, and what better way to celebrate your happiness and your joy than with getting things for yourself? You know, of course, self-treatment. What is self-care? I'm all about that self-care life, okay? So I would say the first place that I went to was like Home Depot, Lowe's, you know, those big box stores, and I came across literally amazing goodies. I'm not gonna say where everything is from because things are from different places. I went to different shops and I don't even remember where everything's from anymore. But I'm gonna start off with this, which is this amazing deal that I got for my favorite number, $5. Actually, $3.99 is my favorite number, but we're not talking about $3.99 right now. So I picked up this. Is called a Arabica succulent garden. It went down from $12.99 to $5, so I couldn't help myself to pick it up. This is honestly so pretty. It's so beautiful. What I did go ahead and do last night, which I shouldn't have done, was I added another succulent to this because I'll post a photo right here of the original, what this looked like, all decayed and dried and withered with, let me see if I actually still have what I tossed out. Yeah, so a lot of these like dried, withered, you know, succulents. So a lot of these withered succulents I managed to like pull out and add new soil. I actually fixed up my soil in this. I made it drier, and I added this ogre's ear to it now. So now I have this really pretty succulent pot, and it's so pretty for $5. The pot alone costs more in my opinion. So and one succulent by themselves, if you buy them at the big box stores, is $3 something, $4. So I pretty much got a few succulents and a nice pot for $5, so it's definitely worth it for me. And these were popping off of this here, so I'm just leaving them up top to callus and form babies. So this was number 1 that I picked up from, I believe, Lowe's. And plant number 2, I think, alright, so this one is I believe a Hoya or lipstick plant. I'm not sure, but so pretty. I got this one too to add into my collection. I love hanging vining plants. They're the best. Also, I just want to apologize for all the background noise. I'm not using my normal camera. I'm using my iPad to film this. Oh, look, more kitty cat friends. More kitty babies. Come here, you. Hello, so that was plant number 2. So for the third plant that I picked up, I snagged for myself from the big box stores, was this beauty. Can you see this? Can you see this? I found a Coil Compacta for myself, and guys, literally I was so stunned, so surprised, so amazed that I came across this plant. One, to just find it online, it's so expensive online, and it's always been a plant that I want, but I was never willing to pay for one of these, you know, like 20 bucks for just one of this and like half of this. I'm not gonna pay that. No matter how much I love plants, depending on the rarity, I refuse to pay certain prices for certain plants. I'd rather not have it, and I think that's how it should be too. Like, people need to just like chill, you know, do your research, like try to find the best deal, because you can't always find better deals for plants. So I found this real plant, my Coil Compacta, and it's a Costa Farms plant, and this one also came with this fern situation inside of it, so I'm even happier that I have kind of two plants in one. So Coil Compacta. So I have a question. I love science, and I know how crossbreeding and all of that works, but I've had this particular plant for over a month now, and don't mind it, it's going through its, you know, its time where the older leaves are. I'm not worried about this plant. This plant just is a big mama and does its thing in the summer, so this is how it looks like more in the winter time. But in the last year that I've owned this plant, it only ever produced pink flowers, and I know you guys can't see it right now, but here are like the tiny pink bulbs right here. For the first time ever in a year, it produced a yellow flower. Guys, I was astonished. I was floored. This plant only ever produces pink flowers, has only ever produced pink flowers in the 2 years that I've had this plant for. Only ever produced pink flowers. Can someone please explain this to me, because this is beautiful, this is amazing. I am so excited, I'm so happy. I love my plants. They're amazing, guys. Plants are amazing. Please take good care of your plants, because they deserve it. They didn't choose you, you chose them. The third, what is this, 1, 2, 3. So the fourth plant that I picked up was this beauty here. I actually don't even have one of these in my collection, and it is a regular old philodendron, and this was a beautiful, as you can see, this one is so pretty. It's ready to just start vining, and this one is not mine. I picked this one up for you guys. I want to do a giveaway. So this particular plant, which is the philodendron, regular philodendron scandens, it is for one of my lucky followers, my subscribers, my Cookie fam. This is for one of you guys. I am going to be running this giveaway for a month, so from October 1st through November 1st, I will be doing a giveaway. All of the giveaway information will be in the description box below, and it will be cross-posted giveaway. It's going to be on my Instagram, PamellaPierre, and also on my plant page, which is Girls Who Horticulture. And it'll also be going on here, obviously, on my YouTube. So one of you guys will get this plant. So good luck to whoever the winner is, because, you know, you deserve it. And this has been such a good month for me. So new plant for you guys. I'm so happy. This is huge. And I would say the last plant that I picked up was this here. So I found a rhaphidophora, and I believe this is the tetrasperma rhaphidophora. Please guys, like, you know, like, if this is not the correct phylum, genus, whatever, do let me know, do correct me below, because knowledge is power, knowledge is key, and I need you guys to share with me your knowledge as I'm sharing my knowledge with you. So yes, I picked up myself a rhaphidophora tetrasperma. I'm so happy, I'm so excited. I've been wanting one of these, and these things, this is a beauty. So, you know, got that monstera fam, you know, So this is the last plant in my haul. This was a huge haul, so I picked up how many plants? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plants. My gosh. Wow. I've never purchased so many plants at once. I'm usually a buy one plants at a time person, but this was worth it. I found everything that was on my list without even knowing I was going to pick these up. So yeah, I recommend you guys, go out, have a looky, and see what the stores have, because honestly, man. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it also, subscribe if you aren't already, join this little kooky family because we're pretty awesome here. And yeah, don't forget to enter the giveaway.